Wow. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. It's 11:17 right now. I am standing in front of ancient tracks. This is one of the places where you can get a permit to explore Ladakh region. In order to leave Leh city and explore, you need to have a permit. A place like this will take care of all the paperwork for you. You just need to bring your passport, and it takes about a day to get your permit. So if you come here in the morning, you'll get your permit back by evening around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. So the price for foreigners is 600 rupee, whether it's for 1 day or the maximum of 14 days. I am standing at the Leh market. I'm on the edge of the market. It's really pretty here, great weather. I came to Leh Book Depot to get this map. This is a Ladakh region map, and the cost is 350 rupees. Good morning, it's 8:09 a.m. I rented a Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 motorcycle last night. I've never heard of a Royal Enfield motorcycle before until I came to India, but it's a very popular motorcycle that's made in India. This one is a 411cc, I believe. I rode it briefly last night. It's a pretty light bike for me. I think it's 199 kilogram, but it's a very popular bike in this region. All right, let me start the engine so you can hear it. I'm getting gas at the Indian oil gas station. The gas is 110.67 rupee per liter.
Okay.
Just arrived at the Thiksey Monastery. Looks beautiful. I am at Thiksey Monastery. Check out this view. Oh my goodness. Wow. Beautiful. And that is the monastery up there. The entrance fee is 50 rupee per person. beautiful here. Look at this rock formation. Oh my goodness, I think that's the monastery up here. I arrived at Hemis Monastery. Another monastery, but totally different feel. The surrounding area and the monastery itself completely different than the one in Thiksey. This one is situated in the middle of a mountainside. Very unique. I love it. I am leaving Hemis Monastery. Oh, the scenery is just spectacular. Check out the scenery. Oh my goodness. Stop briefly to take in the scenery. Wow, great scenery. Check out the view. I am on this Royal Enfield Himalayan. Great bike. I love it. What a great day. Weather is perfect and the ride is very good. The view is simply spectacular. Looks like the monks are having some sort of discussion. This is an incredible view from Matho Monastery.